No, give it to Jody, Megan.
Give it to Jody, honey. It's from you. That's the one you picked for her.
Here you go, Jody. Megan, now stop. Let her pull. Megan.
You gotta give her a chance or she's not gonna know how to open gifts. Show her how to rip it. Show her so she can
Megan, now let her pull. Let her rip.
Let her rip, honey. Here, go show her. Show her so she can do her toy. There you go. That's fine.
Okay, Megan, she's excited now. Stand it up.
Stand it up and let her show her how it works.
No, you don't need. That's just paper. You don't need that.
Yeah, that's garbage.
Stand it up. Stand it upright.
Wait, don't do that.
No. Be nice.
Be nice.
So explain how it works. You say first we push the dreidel back in there, and then we turn this, and it makes music. You have to turn it the other way, I think, Meg.
Oh.
Put the top down.
There you go.
Good job.
What's my present?
Megan, turn it for Jody.
So you turn it once. Keep going, Meg. Yay!
Yay!
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah, Meg.
Hey!
I'll do it.
Great.
Ready? It's gonna come out.
Oh, it's cute. What is this, Mom?
There it is.
Oh.
Happy fingers to put around.
Yeah, that's right. Well, does it have a zipper? How does it open?
Oh, no, it doesn't.
I think it might have a zipper. Right here. Use the zipper. Open the zipper.
I know it's here. I know it is. Oh, it's so cute.
Okay. Put it on.
It's cute.
Yeah, wear it, Megan. Put it on.
There it is. Pop goes the
Do you know how to put it on, or do you need a little help?
She usually has help putting it
It's
on.
cute.
It is. Here, I can help you put it
Okay, Megan, Mommy's gonna help you.
Here, can you get down here with Jody and play with her? Well, I already got it.
I'm not. Hey, Jody. Hi. I'm over here. Hi. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to her next person.
No, honey, that's it for tonight.